Veteran who was an expert marksman shot and killed 10 unsuspecting noontime strollers on the university campus today, and then he was cut down an hour and a half later by an elite. The cyclist started shooting on the opposite.
So, oops, knocked the bike over. Anyway, the Juggalo professor, nobody important here, and I was showing off the bikes that I'm looking to convert. As you can see, we got a Diamondback, a Trek, a Jameis, a Gary Fisher, and a Specialized. And I'm looking at converting these 5 bikes into emergency responder e-bikes for the gathering, or what the fuck ever, you know, who knows. Anyway, so this is part 2 of the segment, and I'll flip the camera around here. Move out of the frame, Taylor. Move over towards me. Over towards me. Towards. Okay. Go that way. Go that way. So this is the shop. There's the roof of my shop. There's my spare parts, tires. I'm organizing it. There's my tools table. And got more tools inside. But that's right there is what we've got. More spare parts in the back, and that's a bike I'm going to be turning into a cargo bike like that. This is one of our bikes, a shop bike. I need to fix. This is the wife's recumbent bike that I need to tune up and true up. There's my full suspension dream bike that I've wanted for years and years and years, and finally got it. And then there's like I said, spare parts. So trailer and the bikes that I'm going to convert. So there you go, fam. Whoop whoop. As you can see, I'm in the city, and we got crazy ass drama queens across the street. If you can hear stuff in the background, and sounds like somebody's having an argument with his invisible friend. So anyway, talk to y'all later. Whoop whoop.